Welcome to Straight Talk with NDFB. I am your host, Emery Melhoff.
And I am Alisha Nord.
We are your Farm Bureau duo, bringing you your competitive edge.
Thank you for joining us as we harvested across North Dakota.
We harvested sugar beets in eastern North Dakota, checked calves in western North Dakota, and harvested corn, soybeans, wheat, and several other crops in between.
In September, my co-host Alisha traveled to the Kyllo farm to visit with Jenna during potato harvest. Because of some tech issues, we were not able to record at that time, so Justin and Jenna were kind enough to join me to reflect on this year's potato crop and discuss the ins and outs of growing potatoes. Join us for our final episode as we harvest across North Dakota.